In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order form in Jotform. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional form that lists your products, lets people choose quantities, and automatically calculates a total. First, start a new form. Log into Jotform, then head to My Forms and select Create Form. You can build from a blank canvas by choosing Start from Scratch, or speed things up with Use Template and search for Order Form. Templates are a great way to see best practices in action, and you can always customize them heavily. If you're starting from scratch, give your form a clear title so customers instantly know they're in the right place. Next, add your product fields. Open Form Elements and go to Payments. Here you can choose products or connect a payment integration if you plan to process payments online. If you want a free form without payment processing, you can use regular fields like multiple choice or dropdown to list your products. For each product, include the name, the price, and a quantity option if you plan to let people buy more than one. A helpful example would be something like T-shirt, $20, size S M L. Keep names concise and consistent, and make sure the price is clearly visible so shoppers don't have to hunt for it. Now add quantity fields. You can use a number field to let customers type the amount, which is flexible and quick. If you prefer more control, use a drop-down with predefined choices such as 1, 2, 3, or 4. Drop-downs lower the chance of typos and make totals more predictable. Whichever you choose, label each quantity field so it's obviously tied to the right product. Finally, calculate the total price. Go back to Form Elements, Open Widgets, and drag the Form Calculation widget into your form. Click Add Field to pull in each product and its matching quantity. Build your formula by multiplying the product price by its quantity, then add the results together. For example, product 1 times quantity 1 plus product 2 times quantity 2, and so on. Double check that you selected the correct fields and that multiplication and addition are in the right order. If your prices show as text, switch them to numeric values inside the widget settings so the math runs properly. When everything looks good, click Save. Your total will now update automatically as users select products and quantities. That's it, you've created an order form in Jotform with products, quantities, and a live total. Simple, clear, and ready to use.